Hey everybody, it's 4:55 and 13 seconds on December 30th. Hope everybody's enjoying their holidays. Hope everybody missed me, or at least missed the lovely books that I put up. This is the drawing for the two Golden Age action comics. I think it's 118 and 185. This is winner take all. Alright, so let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 12. By the way, here are the 12 filled spots. Right there. So we're going to randomize 12 times. Name at the top of the list gets both books. Due to the holiday, these are most likely not going to go out until January 2nd, which is Wednesday. Okay, I'll try my best. If somehow I have time tomorrow, apologize for the pop-up there. If somehow I have time tomorrow, I'll get them out, but most likely it's going to be the 2nd. Okay, here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and here comes the final one. 12, spot 12, Jeff Lewis, congratulations. Time is 4:56 and 27.